Tired of your GPS or satellite radio slipping off the dashboard or sliding around your car? The StarMate 157 air vent mount promises a secure, hassle-free hold that keeps your device exactly where you want it, right on your air vent. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or even an RV, this mount offers reliable stability so you can focus on the road ahead without distractions. What sets the StarMate 157 apart is its broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with devices featuring the single T-slot mounting pattern, including popular XM satellite radios like the XM Onyx, StarMate, and Stratus models. Plus, it supports devices with the 4-hole amps pattern, such as Sirius radios, S50, Onyx Plus, Lynx, and various GPS units. The package includes a handy adapter to switch between these mounting styles effortlessly. That means one mount can handle multiple devices, saving you money and clutter. Beyond compatibility, the build quality shines. The spring-loaded clip grips firmly onto any horizontal or vertical car air vent louver. A support leg rests on the bottom of the vent, adding extra reinforcement so the mount won't wobble or fall, even on bumpy roads. Users rave about its sturdiness, with one noting it holds tight in a Class C RV without slipping. This isn't just a mount, it's a steadfast companion for your device. Another feature worth highlighting is the swivel ball head, which offers full 360-degree rotation. This flexibility lets you adjust your device to the perfect viewing angle, reducing glare and improving accessibility. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, you can keep your eyes on the road and your device in clear view. Installing the StarMate 157 is straightforward. The mount's 17mm ball base easily attaches to compatible Garmin GPS devices, while the spring-loaded clip snaps onto your vent in seconds, no tools required. This quick setup means you can move the mount between vehicles or devices without fuss, making it a versatile addition to your driving gear. If you're looking for a mount that combines durability, flexibility, and wide device compatibility, the StarMate 157 air vent mount is worth a look. It's designed to keep your gadgets secure and accessible, so you spend less time adjusting and more time driving safely. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your in-car setup with a mount that won't quit. Ready to experience the difference? The StarMate 157 air vent mount offers what you get: a solid grip, adaptable design, and smooth rotation, all crafted to enhance your driving experience. Don't settle for a mount that lets your devices slip or block your view. Choose the StarMate 157 and enjoy peace of mind every time you hit the road.